station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Montgomery County and west central San Jacinto County until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Remember, when news breaks out, we break in. Keep tuned right here for the latest weather updates or for live.